Hi, my name is Linda, and I just wanted to tell you about Jaymors 191. I had come in here to the hardware store to see if I could get some help on my door. The deadbolt wouldn't work, and I was having to put some tape on it so nobody would lock it. Anyway, I heard them talking about it here in the store, and so I bought some and went to the sprayed it on my inside the keyhole, and the deadbolt worked fine. My screen door, same thing. The little knob wouldn't go back in, so when I slammed the screen shut, it just bounced off. After spraying it with Jaymor, it shuts beautifully now, and that's been about a year ago, and it is still working great. But my biggest prize was my slider. My slider was so rough and trying to get the door to open and close, and I used a little spray on the track, and it slides with one finger. It is just such a beautiful thing. I highly recommend this. I use this for gifts for people that haven't heard about it because it is so darn good. So thank you for making this for me. And so I have one more really good find that I did. My clippers for my flowers, I really haven't taken too much care of, and so I reached in to get them after the season began, and they wouldn't hardly open and close. It was just, and I thought, what about my Jaymor? So I went and got my Jaymor, and I sprayed the clippers, and the clippers just worked like they didn't even have a problem. It even cleaned it. It was, it just made a good cleaner, not sticky, and they work really good. So I highly recommend this. It is your friend. That's what saved me. I didn't have to buy the new door handle. I didn't have to buy a new deadbolt because this cleared the gunk that was in it and causing it not to operate properly. I think it's endless what you can do with this product. I'm telling you, every time you have something that is malfunctioning, this is what's going to fix it. It really makes a good gift. I am so sold on this product that whenever I have somebody at work help me out, I got them a bottle of this, or they have it a little pen size for machines, for sewing machines, and I have bought that for my friends as well. It makes an excellent gift because it is such a good product. The people just loved it. I mean, so they're going to be, it's word of mouth, and we want to shout it out.